What's up, guys? So today's a very special video. I'm excited to say that I partnered up with F150LEDs.com, and they've sent me the F150 headlight kit, and we're going to be installing that in today's video. So stay tuned and check this out. To install the LED headlights from F150LEDs.com, these are the tools that you'll need. You'll have a 10mm socket on the left, some wire snippers to snip the zip ties that comes with it, and an optional pry tool. A pocket knife can be used as well to remove the debris shield Christmas tree. So in this kit you'll be receiving 2 headlights, and each headlight has an external cooling fan on it. You'll also be receiving a ballast for each headlight. This part plugs into the bulb area, and this part plugs into the harness that goes to the truck. And they also send you 2 zip ties to keep everything tidy. So let's get on to the install. So we're going to start over here on the passenger side headlight. And the first step is removing the debris shield right next to the light housing. Some models have a screw right here on the top. You just unscrew and it lets you pull out this little push pin. We're not going to do that on mine. We're just going to pop it up. That'll expose the 10mm bolts for the housing. There's one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the back on the top. This top one, once you remove this bolt, you're going to want to grab this pin, and that pulls this out of this hole right here, and so you can pull the headlight loose. Alright, with that top section pulled off, we should just be able to pull the headlight housing now. Just like that. Alright, now that we've got the headlight housing pulled out, we're going to disconnect the main wire on the headlight. That disconnects the bulb so we can twist and pull it out. So we're going to pull that bulb out right now. Counterclockwise. And just pull it out. And there's the bulb. I'm going to keep these bulbs in case I need them in the future. But the next step is installing the new LED headlights. So we're going to take our new LED headlights from F150LEDs.com, and we are going to just put them in their housing right here. We're going to make sure that these tabs line up with the tabs in the opening right here. So there's one large tab at the top and then 2 smaller tabs, so you'll line up the large one with, obviously, with the large tab in the top right here. turn it until it clicks into place. And we're going to take our ballast I'm going to plug this in right into the LED bulb. Just like that. And on the other end of the ballast, we're going to plug into the wire harness on the truck. After installing the LED bulb, I'm just going to gather up the ballast and the wires right here and take the included zip tie. Just zip tie them together, keep them from moving around. Make sure it's tight. Take these off. Alright, now we're going to reinstall the headlight. But first, once we plug it in, we're going to make sure that the headlight comes on and test them. Make sure you'll push the ballast and the cables down out of the way. Plenty of room underneath. Slide it back in. Right now, before I put in the bolts, we're going to turn the headlights on and make sure they come on. Looks like they're working. Awesome. Alright, now we're going to put the bolts back in and jump over to the driver's side.